What good's an ebook without a cover? This is where you can set your cover image. Okay. Now you'll notice that over in my binder, which is the area where I've put my content for my book, if you watch one of the earlier lectures, you'll notice I was talking about front matter. Well, I don't have any front matter, but more importantly, I don't even have an image. Okay, so I would need to put an image into my file so that I could pick it here. You'll see it says no cover image. See, only image files imported into the project are available for selection. That's pretty much it. There's not much I can show you here because we don't have one. What I can do, in fact, is I could pause this and I could jump out and add it. Actually, you know what? Let's do that. I'm going to pause. Hold on. Okay, this is how you add a blank Kindle cover, or any artwork for that matter. I just grabbed a blank one that I have kicking around, which is what I use. And I'm going to show you. Again, you drag it over, and this time I'm going to drop it into research. Okay, and this is what the Kindle cover looks like. Okay, obviously yours wouldn't look like this, but this is me just throwing something in here to give you an example. So let's go back to compile. So that's all correct. Oops, ebook. There we go, ebook, EPUB. So separators, you know what, we're going to want table of contents, so we're going to set that to section break. There's the cover now. Yay, blank Kindle cover. So now that's my book cover. So that is how you add a cover to your ebook. Okay, and cover page title. Wow, let's give it a title and let's call it My Book. Original stuff, huh? So, by the way, if you were compiling this into an iBook, you'd check this differently. Okay, so this was a JPEG. That is how you add a cover image.